Well, the fun thing about harvest, when I say fun thing, I mean not so fun thing, is cleaning the combine and getting it ready, cleaning the rock trap out, things like that before we get ready. And the wheat dust is not your friend. Like, it is dusty. So the rest of the day, you're in an air conditioned, if everything goes well, you're in an air conditioned cabin. And but what never's made sense to me is we do this all in the morning, and so then the rest of the day you're itchy. And I'd hate to break with tradition, but you grease your combines in the morning and you get itchy, and then you set itchy all day long. I don't understand, but there's a different solution to this problem. What's your name? Carter. How old are you, Carter? 8. 8? And Carter even has his John Deere shirt on today, don't you? What's your favorite thing about farming, Carter?
Cutting.
Cutting? Is this wheat look very good?
No.
Is it still fun to cut, though?
Yeah.
You see, that's what it's all about, isn't it? Do you like our new to us combine? It's pretty nice, isn't it? Carter, are you excited to be on the farm too?
Yeah.
Are you going to be a farmer when you grow up? You are? Who are you going to farm with? You going to farm with Ethan?
Yeah.
Yeah. He'll probably need some help because I'll be too old. You know what I mean? When you can help, I'm going to be too old. I won't be able to help him. So are you going to run the combine, or are you going to run the grain cart? Probably the combine? Well, that's good, because Ethan, I don't think he really likes to run the combine.
Oh, when she's 14, she's gonna get in the auger wagon and have Ethan teach her.
Ellie wants Ethan to teach her what she...
that's what she's gonna do.
Oh, I see. And then you're going to run the combine.
Yes.
And then what is Ethan going to do?
The auger wagon.
The auger wagon?
Wait, no, Ellie drives the semi, Ethan does the auger wagon, and I do the combine. There.
I see. Dude, we're almost finished the field. What do you think? Are we moving along? Last strip's got a few weeds in it. Have you noticed that? Is that pretty green? Hey, Carter, let's unload. Let's put her on the semi. Does it look like I'm going to hit the truck? See the camera? It doesn't turn on until I hit the button. Looks like I'm a little close. Little close. We're a little close. Is your mommy coming?
She's right there.
She's right there?
Yeah, I don't think we filled up.
You don't think what?
I don't think we're gonna fill it up.
I don't think we're going to fill it up. No.
Yeah.
We're not going to fill it up completely, at least. It's probably 300 bushels, something like that.
Something a lot here.
Here comes your mommy.
You guys suck.
You got to get the sucker.
Get ready. 12-9, it's dry enough.
Oh, it was 12.9?
12-9,
Oh, that's better.
59.
Oh, well, Dad was probably happy.
He was happy.
Finally happy.
Okay, where are you going next? Are you still harvesting, or you want to go back to Carlene's for a while, or what?
I'm still.
You're still harvesting. Okay, where's Rocky?
And we're gonna
Go like that.
and we're off to the next field. Don't those soybeans look beautiful?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I am ready. I need to change the field though. Now we're ready.
Mhm.
All right, we're really ready now, okay? I'm gonna turn my blinkers on. Engage the header. Engage the header. Full throttle. Lower the header. Lowering the header. And away we go. And there's a gawker over there. Whenever you're running a combine, people stop and watch you. I know. It's fascinating. Sometimes you eat a gopher hole. Let's make sure we get her clean.
I don't think there's any hose spots around. So we'll have.
What?
I think we need to go to the store then and buy 15 million hoses. Because I don't think there's enough hoses around. I don't think there's any close wash thing.
Okay. All right, let's back it up and make sure you can reverse it. Okay. Now let's go forward. And we're good to go. Ready to go again?
Yeah.
Let's not do that again.
Yeah.
Okay, you better be watching. I think that was kind of your...
I was watching the train track.
I know. I thought that was your fault, though. Was that
No,
your
it's
fault?
your fault.
Oh, it's my fault. Okay.
No.
All right. It's my fault. We'll not do that again.
I thought I was.
It is weird cutting right next to the highway. People are always looking and gawking. No, I think the train track had. I don't think they just decided to put it there. Where do you think it could have gone?
It could have went around the field. It could have went under the field. Could have went over the field.
That's true. It was probably easier to just make it go through the field. But it kind of split our field up, didn't it?
Yeah.
But they did that long. I mean, I don't even think your grandpa, maybe, your grandpa was probably alive. I can't remember when there wasn't a train track. The Best part of the day. Food is here. 5:18. Go quick fuel up and then we'll be ready to roll. Probably till dark. Hopefully I can get this field done and another one. Having Carter out here has been hilarious. He's funny.